4K 60 voice command works on start recording, clearly disabled by the camera. I show how clear it is not working. Here's the answer from DJI. Hello there. This issue has been resolved in the U1 firmware. Please try to update their firmware to the V0101.06.30 or later. We appreciate your patience. Firmware version 01.02.06.10. Firmware for the camera 10001815. Oh man, my first crash? No. Voice command on. Voice command on. 60 frames. I have to go the opposite way. Set this up. All set up. Start recording. Stop recording. Start recording. Stop recording. Yeah, it must be an issue.